Hello children, let us continue with the decimal chapter. In this video, we are going to learn how to read a decimal. We don't read the number together in a decimal, right? The numbers that are before the decimal point, they are read together, whereas the numbers that are after the decimal point are read individually. Okay, I have 0.6, so I will read it as 0.6. Suppose I have 2.154. Okay, then I am not going to read it as 2.154. No. After the decimal point, whatever digits are written, those digits are read individually. So, I am going to read it as 2.154. Okay. Similarly, 3.78 is read as 3.78, not 78. Okay, if you write 3.78, then this is absolutely wrong. Okay, 12 point, it is not 12, it is 12.12. Clear? 0.5. If I have decimal 5, okay, then instead of writing decimal 5, we write this decimal as 0.5. okay, since no whole numbers are there before the decimal point, we always put a 0 for that if there are no whole numbers. Okay, instead of writing only 5, this can also be written as 5.0. That means absence of any of the parts, either the whole number or the decimal part in a given number, that those parts can be written, those parts can be shown by putting a 0 in the place. If any part of a number is missing, either the whole number part, this is the whole number part, or the decimal part is missing, then we show those parts by writing 0. Clear? Now, how to convert a decimal into a common fractions? To convert a decimal into a fraction, the first thing we will do is take the given decimal number without the point as numerator. I have 4.9, so I will take this decimal number without the decimal point. That means instead of writing 4.9, you will write 49. Okay, then for the denominator, we will form a number by putting as many zeros to the right of 1. First you will write 1. Okay, then you will put as many zeros as there are decimal places. Decimal places, I told you that the places after the decimal point are called the decimal places. Now here, how many decimal places are there? Only one decimal place is there, 4.9. One decimal place. So for this one decimal place, you will put 1 0. Okay. So how the denominator was formed? What we are going to do to convert a decimal into a common fraction? First, what you will do, whatever number is given to you, that number you will write without the decimal point. Okay, first thing you are going to do is write the number without the decimal point. Okay, and this number you will write it as numerator. Then for the denominator, what you will do, first write 1. Then count how many decimal places are there. There is one decimal place over here. So for this one decimal place, you will put 1 0. Okay, how do we put zeros? We count the number of decimal places. If there are one decimal place, you put 1 0. If there are two decimal places, you put 2 0. If three, you put 3 zeros. Okay, take for example 0.53. I told you you will take the number. Number is what? 53, because 0 before any number has no value. Before any whole number has no value. So this is 53 I have written. Okay. Then next thing that you are going to do is write 1 in the denominator's place. Then count the number of decimal places. How many decimal places? 2 decimal places are there. So put 2 zeros. For 0.468, you will write 468 first. Okay. Then write 1 in denominator. Count the number of decimal places. 1, 2, 3. So put 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 1.563. Remove the decimal point and write all the digits. 1563. Then give the line and then write 1 first and then count the number of decimal places. How many decimal places are there? This is the decimal. Okay. Then 5, 6, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 zeros are put in the denominator. So this is 1563 by 1000 is the fraction. With this you can solve exercise 5A question number B on your own. Okay. How to read the decimal is the number name. So with this you can solve exercise 5A question number C. Right? Now let us learn how to convert a fraction into a decimal. To convert a fraction into decimal, we need to have the fraction with denominator 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. To convert a fraction into a decimal, we need to have the fraction with denominator 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. In the denominator place, it should be 10, 100 or 1000. First, what you will do, you will write the numerator of the given fraction. Now look here, 9 by 10. Okay. First, you write the numerator of the given fraction. Okay. Then count how many zeros are there in the denominator. I have 1 0 over here. So you will count the number of digits and move from the right to the left. Count what? As many zeros are there, that many places you will leave from the right to the left and give a decimal point. Here 9 by 10. So first you write the digit, that is 9. Then 1 0 is here. So leave one digit and give a decimal point. Then put a 0 before it since there is no whole number. Okay. We'll read the rules. Then count the number of zeros in the denominator. First you will write the numerator of the given fraction. Then you will count the number of 0 in the denominator. Third is you will leave that many places from the right moving towards the left. Okay. Right moving towards the left, as there are number of zeros in the denominator. If you have 2 0, you will leave 2 places and move to the left. If you have 3 zeros, you will leave 3 places from the right and move towards the left. Okay, 3 zeros from you will leave, 3 places you will leave from the right moving towards the left. Okay, if the number of digits in the numerator is less, take for example this one. Okay, here I have one digit, but I have 20 over here. That means the number of digits in the numerator is less than the number of zeros in the denominator. In this case, what you will do, you will insert a 0 at the left of the numerator. The numerator is what? 9. So 9 first you will write. Then you will put a 0 to the left of the numerator and then give the decimal point. Suppose I have 9 by 1000. So first what I will do, you will write 9 over here. Then how many places are there? 1, 2, 3. For 10, I have one place, but there are still 2 zeros left. So put 20 and then give a decimal point. Clear? 252 by 1000. Write 252. Count the number of zeros 1, 2, 3. Count from the right to the left 1, 2, 3 and give a decimal point. 254 by 100. First you write 254. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So you will leave 2 places from the right to the moving towards the left. 1, 2, 2 places left. Give a decimal point between 2 and 5. So this is 2.54. Clear? Now let us learn how to write in figures. I have 0.8. So 0 I will write. Whatever you read over here, you are going to write it in digits, in figures. Okay? 0, give a point for this point and then write 8. Okay? 1300 is equal to 1300.6. Then you have 55.54. Similar way you will write it for words, or if given write in words, then you will write it in this way. If given write it in number name, then also you will write it in this way. If it is given to write in figures, you will write this other way. Okay. With this, how to convert a given fraction to a decimal, you can solve exercise 5A, question number A. Okay, all this is your homework.